Oke, halo guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
how are you guys?
I am good, I am fine.
Is
I'm fine.
okay. Welcome, welcome to our podcast. Introduce us from group 3. We'll have an exciting conversation about future goals because we must have hopes and goals in this life, right? So we will just share a little bit, but before that, we get acquainted first. I am Ravania Fazrianti as the host in this podcast, and uh, I am with my friends Muhammad Rian Ramadan. Halo Rian.
Oh, Rafa, Afa.
And then Amara Ratu Faiza. Halo Amara.
Halo, Kak.
And then Maradita Cepa Triawan. Hai Cepa.
Halo,
Hai
Apa.
siapa?
And then the last is Fadlan. Hai Fadlan. Okay, maybe for me first, I have uh, 4 questions for you guys
Hai.
about our future goals. The first question is, what are you going to do after graduating from university? Maybe 2 years later, we grad from university, yes. And then for me, I plan to pursue a career by finding a job as laboratory or uh, I want to continue my education by enrolling in chemistry education or chemistry technology to future specialists in my area of interest. And then, how about you, Amara?
Okay, for me, work at the Indonesian Stock Exchange company and continue his study. Ina.
And then, how about you, Chapa?
Okay, for me, I will continue my master's degree abroad. Simple.
Okay, right. And you, Rian?
Okay, for me, maybe if there is money, I will continue my education. And if there is no money, maybe I will look for a job, whether it is in my field or not. It doesn't matter as long as I get a job first.
Okay. And then how about you, Fadlan?
What I do after graduating will develop the business I run from now on.
Oh, business. Wow. Hope our plan is yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
And then
it's good.
the second
So,
question, do you have any other plans if that doesn't work out? For me, of course, I have plan if my plan is doesn't work, uh, I will go to study at Islamic um, school or just for praying like that. And then how about you, Amara?
Okay, for me, yes, of course, I have other plans, namely becoming an entrepreneur who builds my own business, such as skincare, coffee shop, and boarding house.
Okay, that's
Next.
good. How about you, Chapa?
Okay, maybe my other plans are find a job that is to my major, such as being a quality control or chemical analyst in a laboratory, or working at Batan.
Oh,
Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you.
how about you, Rian?
For now, I'm still confused about what I should do if it doesn't work well. But maybe I'll hone my own abilities and skill and try to develop
Mm,
better.
okay, that's amazing too, Rian.
Thank you.
Okay, how about you, Fadlan?
Maybe another plan would be to collaboration with you in automotive.
Oh, 20. Wow, that's so interesting. And then, okay, the third questions for from me is a little what? Sweet maybe. Because the question is, do you want to get married? Wow.
Ah, ah,
Wow.
of
Everyone's
course.
smiling. And what is your target age? And what are your criteria for a potential partner in your life? Yeah. For me, marriage is definitely something I consider for my future, but I am currently focused on establishing my career and personal goals first. I believe in finding the right partner who shares my value, supports my aspiration, and complements my strengths. While I don't have a specific target age in mind, I envision settling down in my late 20s or early 30s, maybe. Yeah. How about you, Amara?
Okay, for me, yes, I have the desire to get married. The target is get married at the age of 26. The criteria for my potential partner is definitely someone who can accept me as I am and can be a partner in everything, such as education, business, and other things.
Wow. Um, and how about you, Syafa?
Okay, for me, 50-50 between I want and
Ooh.
don't want married, because honestly, I have a trauma that makes me unsure, and I don't have a marriage target, because the most important thing is to be able to make my uh, own money first, to meet the needs of myself and my family. And for partner criteria, for me, maybe good, responsible, loving my family, and other things. Enough.
Okay, okay.
Okay, next, Rian, how about you? Wah, I like this.
Oh, of course, I want to get married, but for my, I don't know, the target age for me to get married is when, and of course, when I'm ready mental and economy, and for the criteria of a partner who is definitely
Ooh,
good, can respect each other, and importantly, be solehah. Even if it's not like that, maybe I will guide him to be
oh,
better.
Masya Allah.
Masya Allah,
Uh,
answer.
uh, that's amazing. How about you, Fadlan?
Surely, if I am successful, I will be happy to help my friends with the knowledge and resources I have. Helping each other is one of the values I hold dear.
So you want to get married or no?
No.
No? Oh. Okay, guys. The last question from me is everyone has fears about the future, right? So what is your
Yes,
biggest fear about the future?
fear.
For me, my biggest fear about the future is not living up to my potential. I have dreams and aspirations that I am passionate about, and I fear not being able to achieve them due to unforeseen circumstances or limitations. I am also concerned about the ever-changing nature of the world and the challenge that may arise in the future. Like that. How about you, Amara?
Okay, for me, my biggest fear is fear of failure, fear of not being able to achieve what I have planned, for fear of not being able to make my parents and choose college to me happy. Next.
Okay, how about you, Cheva?
Okay, for me, I am very afraid of failure because failure makes me afraid to get up and try something again.
And then Rian?
For me, my biggest fear about the future is not reaching my potential or not being able to achieve my goals due to unforeseen circumstance and essentially not being able to make my parents happy.
And then how about you, Fadlan?
Fear is inevitable failure, but that will be motivation for yourself.
Okay, that's it. Okay, guys. That is for question for me, and I want to know question for you, Amara.
Okay, the question from me. The first question, what do you want to achieve in your life in the near future? Uh, for me, in the near future, I want to do an internship at my Ministry of Finance. I want to hone my skills. I want to take part in various competition, and I want to finish my study quickly. How about you, Ava?
Um, I want to sorry guys. Maybe Maridisa Cheva first.
How
Okay.
about you, Ava?
Okay, for me, I want to developing skills and knowledge in my field. Enough. Simple
Okay,
for me.
then okay. Next, Aryan.
Uh, I'm sorry, I'm not dengerin. Can you repeat the question?
Okay, the question is, what do you want to achieve in your life in the near future?
Oh, for me, of course, in the near future, I want to be even better in my studies, be able to understand all the lecture material, and be able to graduate on time.
Okay. Okay, next, Ava or
Okay.
Fadlan?
Uh,
Ava. Okay.
okay. Um, I am. I want to develop a strong foundation of skills and knowledge relevant to my career path and build a network of supportive colleagues and mentors in my field.
Okay, nice, Afa. Fadlan, how about you?
Goals is calm and entrepreneur.
Enough. The second question, what is the main priority in your long-term plan? For me, make parents and family happy and become someone who can provide benefits to others. How about you, Afa?
Same with you. Of course, to be my family happy, and my main long-term priority is to establish evolving and successful career. This includes achieving a leadership position, making significant contribution to my industry, and achieving financial stability.
Okay. Next for Sefa.
Me, the main priority in my long-term plan is to make a positive impact on society and the world.
Okay. Next, Rian.
For me, the main priority in my long-term plan is to establish a successful career while maintaining a healthy work-life balance and nurturing meaningful relationship.
Okay, next, Fadlan, how about you?
Maybe will exercising and watching for diet.
Okay, the third question. Are there certain things you want to achieve in your life that you haven't started yet? For me, yes, doing business become you are still confused about where to start. How about you, Safa? Apa?
For me, yes, there are definitely things I want to achieve in life that I haven't started yet. This include like for traveling to Korea or Indonesia and experience different cultures, learning a new language like Korean language or Netherlands language. And then my specific personal goals is writing a book and starting a business. Maybe that.
It's good, Apa. Next, Sefa, how about you?
For me, yes, there are several things I want to achieve in my life that I haven't started yet, such as traveling to certain countries, same with Ava, and starting my own business maybe.
Okay, next, Rian, how about you?
For me, yes, there are certain things I want to achieve in my life that I haven't started yet, like traveling to certain destination, learning new skill, and starting a family. But this is still a long way.
Okay, Fadlan, next, how about you?
There is no study plan.
Enough.
That's it. Really good.
Okay, the last question. What will be a sign of success for you in achieving your goals? For me, seeing people around me, especially my family, can be happy with my own results. How about you, Ava?
Reaching my goals will be a combination of factors. Some specific signs of success include like feeling passionate and satisfied with my career, making a positive impact in my field and contributing to the greater good, leading a balanced and healthy life, maintaining strong and supportive relationships with loved ones, maybe. Yes.
Okay, next, how about you, Sefa?
Okay, success for me is feeling satisfied, making a positive impact on others, and achieving personal success.
Nice. Next, Rian, how about you?
Uh, for me, a sign of success. For me, in achieving my goals would be having a sense of fulfillment, making a positive impact on others, and experience personal growth and happy.
What about you, Fadlan?
So,
Okay, maybe enough question from me. The next question from Sefa.
Yes. Okay, I have 4 questions for you guys. Maybe the first question from me is difficult choice for you, maybe when you graduate from university and get a job. Do you prefer to help your family economy first or choose to get married? Mungkin maybe for me, I prefer to help the family economy first because at least I want to repay the efforts of my parents who have tried for my education. And how about you, Ava?
Same with you. I will to help my family economy first, and then cause I want to go to Makkah with my mother and my father.
Amin.
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 And if I have what if I have money, maybe I will get married too.
Okay, how about you, Amara?
Maybe for me, I just Sam to help my family economy because my main goal is to make me family happy. You know.
Good answer. Okay.
Hello.
How about you, Rian? Maybe.
For me, after graduating from university and getting a job, I am to help my family economy while also focusing on personal and career growth.
Okay. Uh, and next, how about you, Fadlan?
me goes to help.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good.
Simple. Very simple.
Yeah.
Okay, the second question for me, what if in the future career process doesn't have increasing job prospect and tends to stagnate? Maybe for me, is passion, because all things that are carried out patiently must have a good way out. Enough from me. Next,
Me? Okay.
yes.
For me, I would continuously develop new skills and certification to stay relevant and competitive in my field, and then perhaps starting my own business could offer more growth potential. That's it.
Next, how about you, Amara?
Okay, for me, focusing on experience and learning. Sometimes the experience and learning gained from the current job can be valuable even if there is no clear advancement in the position. Take advantage of opportunities to learn and grow as much as possible from your current job. You know.
Interesting for me. Uh, Maybe next, how about you, Rian?
For me, if the future career process does not have increasing job prospect and tends to stagnate, I will explore opportunities for upskilling, career development, or even consider a career change if necessary. Enough.
Wow, very interesting. Maybe, Fadlan, a bad
Maybe
connection.
Yeah.
Fadlan isn't there. Maybe you can next to the next question.
Question from me. The third question is, what do you want to master when you graduate from college? Um, from for me, I plan in foreign language, especially English language, uh, Arabic language, and other. And next, how about you, Apa?
I want to upgrading my language to like you, Java, like Korean language, Netherlands language, Arabic, and then I want to mastering the core technical skill and knowledge essential for my chosen field. That's it.
Next, how about you, Amara?
Okay, for me, I want to continue to develop my ability to understand and analyze language, culture, and general knowledge in more depth. Additionally, I am interested in continue to improve my skills in areas such as computer science, artificial intelligence, and natural language processing. The goal is for me to be more efficient at helping people solve problems, find the information they need, and interact with me in more natural and efficient way. You know.
Wow, that's amazing. Next,
Maybe guys,
how about you, Rian?
I want to hear and I want to answer question from Rian. Maybe Rian, are you there?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
you
I'm here.
can You can ask we
Okay.
some question.
Two question, yeah.
One or two.
Okay, the first, what are your main goals for the next 5 years? For me, my main goals for the next 5 years include advancing in my career, improving my skills, and achieving financial stability. Is for me. How about you, Rafa?
My main goals for the next 5 years are to establish a successful career, continue learning and development, build strong relationships, maintain a healthy lifestyle, and contribute to the community. That's it.
Okay. How about you, Amara?
For me, main goals for the next 5 years, complete a master degree, develop a business, have a positive impact on society, have financial stability, explore the world, try new things, and gather value experience. Enough.
Oh, okay. How about you, Jeva? Hello? How about you, Jeva?
Oh, okay. My connection is bad. My goal in the next 5 years seems to become a chemical analyst or quality control in a laboratorium, or open a small business and or continue my education abroad. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Second question is, what will you do if you don't immediately get a job after graduation? For me, if I don't immediately get a job after graduating, I'll consider internship, volunteer work, or freelance opportunities to gain experience and build my professional work.
Okay. And then
Wow, that's amazing.
for me, to maintain my physical and mental health while pursuing my goals, I will prioritize exercise, maintain a healthy diet, get enough sleep, that and practice stress
Yes, true.
management technique, seek support when needed. Okay. Okay, guys, cause this I want to hear some question from Fadlan. Fadlan, you can ask we for us. Fadlan, are you there?
So,
Maybe bad connection.
yes.
Do you have a question for us?
Your first question, Fadlan.
Private tour X5 year.
Oh, maybe Cheva, you can.
Year. Always try to business I currently run. Actually, I am super business.
Okay,
To you,
Cheva, maybe you
My
can
turn.
answer.
Okay. For me, honestly, I haven't prepared anything because I'm still scared. But the most important thing is mentality, knowledge, and maybe experience. Enough.
How about you, Amara?
For me, complete master degree, develop a business, have a positive impact on society, have financial stable, explore the world, and gather value experience. Enough.
Okay. Uh, okay, guys, that's it. Our conversation, our sharing about future goals.
Future.
I hope our future goals uh is manifest for us. And then don't forget to pray and don't forget to attempt, because without that our future goals is nothing. Okay, and I will say
Okay.
sorry if I have if I have fault in this time. And then the last, I will say thank you so much for your participation.
You're
Warahmatullahi
welcome.
wabarakatuh. Bye bye, guys.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Nice to meet you guys.
To meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.